What's up everybody, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorials. So guys, right now you can see I'm using Fairphone 5 with the Ubuntu Touch operating system. If I open my system settings, here you can see this is Ubuntu Touch on Fairphone 5. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can set up Android operating system over this Ubuntu Touch phone, and after doing that you can run Android application on Ubuntu Touch phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, to do that we are going to use Waydroid. Using the Waydroid application, we are going to create a Android application container on this Ubuntu Touch phone, and on that container we will be running LineageOS Android operating system. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up the Open Store application on your Ubuntu Touch phone. Then from here tap on this search and search for application called Waydroid Helper. Open up this app and install it on your Ubuntu Touch phone. Then open that application, and here you will get a couple of options like install Waydroid, show and hide apps, Waydroid stop app, and Waydroid help. From here tap on install Waydroid, then click on I understand the risk. Now if you click start, it is going to automatically download the LineageOS operating system image and install it on your Ubuntu Touch phone and create an Android container. But that one doesn't support the Google application. So if you want to use Google application also on your Ubuntu Touch phone, you have to enable this option. From here click on Google Apps and enable the G apps. Then click on start. Now it will ask you for your password. Enter your mobile phone password, then click on OK. Now it's going to download the G apps and also download the system image of LineageOS, and using that image and files is going to create an Android LineageOS container with the Google Apps support. So it's going to take a while. Here you can see it's going to download 1326 MB files on your Ubuntu Touch phone. So just sit back and relax until all of those files get downloaded and the container has been created. Whenever you will see a successful message here, so that means now you can easily run the Android container on your Ubuntu Touch phone. So just sit back and relax. Okay guys, so downloading almost completed, and here you can see now it's extracting the image files into your Ubuntu Touch phone. It also gonna take a while to extract all the system image, and now it's downloading the vendor image. And now here you can see installation has been completed. Now click on OK. Now from here on this menu, tap on Waydroid stop app, then click on add. It's gonna add an application to stop the Waydroid machine or Android machine. Now you can switch to your home screen. Now tap on this launcher, and here you can see we have three applications: Waydroid, Waydroid Helper, and Waydroid Stop. We are going to use Waydroid and the Waydroid Stop application to start and stop Android virtual machine in our Ubuntu Touch phone. Now let's start the Android machine in our Ubuntu Touch. For this, tap on Waydroid. So guys, now here you can see we are running Android on our Ubuntu Touch phone. And now from the Play Store, you can get any application, whatever you want, and install it on your Android phone and run it over on your Ubuntu Touch. So guys, like this, you can make your Ubuntu Touch phone up and running with the Android operating system and install Android apps on your phone. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.